Ever wondered how Autonomous Logistic Information Systems, or ALIS, are reshaping the logistics industry? Welcome to the fascinating world of ALIS, a linchpin in modern logistics. Born out of the digital revolution, ALIS has evolved dramatically, becoming a vital cog in the machine of Industry 4.0. Imagine a system that autonomously manages logistics, from inventory and warehousing to transportation and delivery. That's ALIS in a nutshell. It's a smart, self-regulating system that leverages advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning to optimize logistics processes. ALIS is not just about automation, though. It's about intelligence, efficiency, and adaptability. It's about making logistics more streamlined, more responsive, and more effective. It's about turning a complex network of processes into a well-oiled machine that can adapt to changing demands and conditions in real time. As we see, ALIS is a game-changer in logistics, but what happens when we integrate it with blockchain technology? Imagine a world where Autonomous Logistic Information Systems, or ALIS, is fused with blockchain technology. Sounds intriguing, right? It's like combining the precision of a Swiss watch with the robust security of a bank vault. Let's delve into this fascinating world. Traditional ALIS is already a game-changer, right? It streamlines logistics, automates processes, and optimizes operations. But when we introduce blockchain into the mix, it's like adding a supercharger to a sports car. Blockchain, known for its decentralization, immutability, and transparency, perfectly complements ALIS. It enhances the efficiency of ALIS by eliminating intermediaries and reducing paperwork. Transactions are direct, faster, and more efficient. But that's not all. Security in logistics is paramount. And this is where blockchain truly shines. Each transaction is encrypted and linked to the previous one, forming a chain that is virtually impossible to tamper with. This ironclad security provided by blockchain technology is a significant upgrade to the traditional ALIS. Transparency is another critical aspect of logistics. Customers, suppliers, and logistics providers all want to know the status of their goods. With a blockchain-integrated ALIS, every transaction is recorded and visible to all parties. This transparency builds trust and improves collaboration among stakeholders. So far, we've seen how blockchain enhances ALIS from multiple angles: efficiency, security, and transparency. But the real magic happens when these benefits combine. The result is a powerful, reliable, and efficient logistics system that can handle the demands of the modern world. The integration of ALIS with blockchain is not just a concept, but it's already being implemented in the real world. Companies are starting to see the immense potential of this integration and are making strides in adopting this technology. So the next time you see a package delivered to your doorstep, remember there's a good chance that ALIS and blockchain had a part to play in it. A world where ALIS meets blockchain is not just a dream. It's a reality that's revolutionizing logistics as we know it. You might be wondering, where is this fusion of ALIS and blockchain being implemented? Well, let's dive into some real-world applications. Companies like FreightChain are leading the way. They've developed a blockchain-based ALIS to streamline their air cargo operations. This system provides real-time tracking, ensuring transparency and efficiency. On the other hand, we have Marine Transport International. They've successfully implemented a blockchain-integrated ALIS for their sea freight operations. The result: reduced paperwork, increased security, and smoother operations. But it's not all smooth sailing. Experts point out some challenges. For instance, the initial setup cost can be high, and there's a learning curve for employees. However, the consensus is that these challenges are outweighed by the long-term benefits. From air to sea, these case studies illustrate the transformative power of integrating ALIS with blockchain. These practical applications show how ALIS and blockchain are revolutionizing logistics. But what does the future hold? The future of logistics with ALIS and blockchain is brighter than ever. Imagine a world where supply chains are transparent, secure, and self-regulated. That's the potential we're looking at with these technologies. As we look ahead, we can anticipate several emerging trends. The integration of ALIS with blockchain could lead to real-time tracking of goods, eliminating delays and reducing errors. It could also foster greater collaboration between different stakeholders in the supply chain, promoting a more cohesive and efficient system. Furthermore, the potential improvements are vast. We could see a reduction in paperwork, faster clearance of goods, and a substantial decrease in fraud. This integration could also help in optimizing routes and reducing costs, leading to an overall more efficient logistics industry. The broader impact on global supply chains cannot be overstated. Transparency and efficiency brought about by this fusion could revolutionize how goods are moved around the world, making global trade more efficient and sustainable. The fusion of ALIS and blockchain is paving the way for a more efficient and transparent logistics industry. We've explored the world of ALIS and blockchain today, but the journey doesn't end here. As we've seen, these technologies are reshaping logistics, making it more efficient and secure. But what about the exciting technologies waiting just around the corner? In our next episode, we'll explore how RFID technology and image recognition are poised to further revolutionize the logistics landscape. So, gear up for another insightful journey. Join us in our next episode as we delve deeper into the future of logistics. Stay tuned. Stay